The process of taking the light stand apart at the end of your learning experience is essentially the reverse of assembly. The first step is unplugging the light and timer. If needed, please wipe any dirt or dust off the power cord or timer before putting them back in their boxes. While the timer can go back in its box now, please leave the power cord out until the light bar is ready to go back. The next step is taking the light bar off. This is done by sliding the rings on the crossbar backwards through the holes in the clips attached to the light bar. Please do not cut the strings, as this damages the stand and prevents another class from being able to use it. Next, you are going to take the clips off the light bar. You can do this by gently prying them off with a butter knife. Put the clips back in the hardware bag and give the light bar a quick wipe with a damp cloth to get rid of any dirt or dust. Put the light bar back in its box and slide the power cord and the user manual in with it. Close up the box. To take the crossbar off the legs, you're going to place the stand on the ground away from people or objects. Stand on the two sides of one base piece and gently pull up on the crossbar, wiggling it loose. Be careful not to pull too hard, as it may come flying off. Do this on both sides. Wipe the crossbar down and set it aside. If you needed to use the smaller leg pieces, your next step is to take them off. What you're going to do is loosen the silver screws on the side with a screwdriver, and then put the silver screws in a hardware bag. Wipe the smaller pieces down after you've pulled them out of the longer ones and set them aside. Your next step is to take the bases off the legs. Flip the legs over so the bottom of the base is pointed up, and loosen the black screws holding the pieces together. Use the Allen key to do this. Once the black screw is out, put it in the hardware bag. Do this on both sides and then put the Allen key in the hardware bag as well. Wipe down the longer leg pieces and the bases. Hold the box that contains the stand on its side. Gently start sliding the pieces in from larger to smaller, making sure not to push too hard on the other end or to rip the box. For the string on the crossbar, please do not wrap it around the bar and just tuck in the end piece once the crossbar is in. Once all the pieces are in, make sure the hardware bag is sealed and placed in the box. Close up the box. Your final step to disassembly is wiping out the kit. Please make sure that you remove all the rock wool and any traces of the water that you used in the kit before packing it to be shipped back. This can be done with a simple paper towel and dish soap. Pack all of the items back into the kit as shown in the video, except for the stand box. This will not fit. Thank you for participating in this learning experience. We hope you and your class had a lot of fun and learned a lot about plant reproduction. Thank you.